Good morning, children. How are you? Today we will learn one story from your Fun with English book. Page number 34 and 35. See, this is letter J, but the sound of this letter is J. Now I will read the words. Jump, J, jacket, jigsaw puzzle, Jyoti, Jatinder, juice, jug, jelly, Jaya, jam. Now I will read the story. See, Jay, Jyoti, Jatinder, Jaya went to the jungle for a picnic. Went to the jungle for a picnic. Jyoti was playing with jigsaw puzzle. Jyoti was playing with jigsaw puzzle. Jay was jumping. Jay was jumping from the rock. Jacket was lying on the floor. Jatinder was drinking juice. Jaya was serving bread jam to everyone. Now, children, read the story, learn the words, and send your videos to Bharti ma'am. Thank you.